I'm Russ Vaagen with Vaagen Timbers, and I've got some product here with me today, some cross-laminated timber, 3-ply, and some glue-laminated timber panels. This is a panel here, or it can also be a glue-lam beam. And I just want to talk a little bit about the projects that we've done and some of the ways that these buildings are constructed. Primarily the buildings when they're larger, like an academic building or a lab building, a commercial building, they're post and beam construction. So these are glue-lam columns to glue-lam beams, and then we put the floor deck on top, which in this case would be a GLT floor, or in this case a 4-foot by up to 60-foot long CLT floor system. And we've done that in a number of applications and it works really well. We've also done some small residential projects where we've built houses and cabins with CLT, glue-lam beams, and GLT. And what makes Vaagen Timbers different? Vaagen Timbers gets with the design team, ideally very early on, to help maximize the use of mass timber, optimize the constructability of it. We take the hardware that needs to connect all these pieces, whether it be the glue-lam to the CLT, or the glue-lam column to the glue-lam beams and post and beam construction, and we take that hardware and we attach it here in our factory. We do all the finished work to do that. So when you get it on the job site, you lift that into place, you set the beam onto the column, and then you lift the CLT into place, and away you go. And we supply all of that. So it's a real fast way to construct the building. And so we've done projects for Oregon State University. It's a 4-story building with a roof. We did all the fabrication of all the glue-lam with our advanced CNC equipment. We put the hardware on, and then the installer went in and was able to put that together very rapidly. And they were doing a floor about every week, which is pretty amazing when you consider the size of the footprint. We're really excited about clients calling us and wanting to work with us on all types of projects. So I think it's really important, if you're interested in mass timber and you've heard, oh, well, certain businesses don't want to deal with small projects, or maybe you've heard that Vaagen Timbers is small and can't handle the big projects. We can handle all of the projects, and we look forward to talking to people that really want a mass timber source that understands where the material came from. A lot of times if it's a home, we say it's forest to the family room or forest to frame if we're talking about any other structure, because we really focus on where it comes from in the forest and getting that product to its highest and best use into the structure.